part 2 of the crochet along for Doily Designs Boho Granny American Flag Tiny Heart. We just finished row 9 and we have 9 white, 9 blue. We're going to chain 2 and turn for row 10. And I'm going to do the beginning double crochet here. So single crochet, front loop only. And then half double crochet in the same space, half double crochet in 7, and then half double crochet, change to red. Changing to red, you're going to pull your blue to the front and make sure you're not on top of your white, and pull your red up and through, and then anchor those. And you're going to half double crochet in 8, and then half double crochet in the top. Make mine a little tight. And then half double crochet in the same space, change to white. Chain 2 and turn, or half double crochet, beginning half double crochet, half double crochet in the same, so we're on row 11, yes, half double crochet in the same, and then half double crochet in 8, and then half double crochet, change to blue in the next. So halfway through, we're going to drop our white to the back, pick up the blue, and then half double crochet in 9, and 2 half double crochet in the next. This next round starts our split, and we're going to turn and single crochet in the same, and then half double crochet 2 together, whoops, half double crochet 2 together, and then half double crochet in 5. Half double crochet 2 together, and then single crochet in that last blue, and we're going to turn, and then for round row 13, we're going to single crochet in the next. So not in the same, but the next. And then half double crochet 2 together in the next. And then half double crochet in 5. Wait, I'm sorry. It was just that one single crochet and then single crochet in 5, and then half double crochet in 5, single crochet in the top. So let's try that again. So you do the single crochet in the next one, not the same space, and then half double crochet in 5, 1, 4, and 5, and then we're just going to single crochet in the next, and then turn. And row 14 is single crochet 2 together, and then half double crochet in 2, and single crochet 2 together. So yeah, it's a little confusing. And then round 15, oh, that's it for our blue. We're going to fasten off the blue. And then round 15 picks up the red. So you're going to, it says to pick it up on the end. We'll pick it up on the outside. And single crochet in the same space. And then half double crochet 2 together. And half double crochet in 5. Now half double crochet 2 together, and single crochet change to white in the middle. So halfway through your stitch, you're just going to drop your red and pick up your blue. Pick up your white and turn, and then single crochet in the next, not the same, and then half double crochet in 5, and then single crochet, change to red, got ahead of myself and turned, and then we're going to single crochet 2 together, half double crochet in 2, and single crochet 2 together, and fasten off. And you have your first side of your heart, and you don't have to weave those ends or anything. I actually use yarn clippings for stuffing, and to do the back you do the blue in the same way. I think that the chain 2 on the side instead of the half double crochet leaves it a little bit looser and gives you kind of a more scrunched heart, and also makes it easier when you go to join. But that's just what I recall. I'll have to test that for you. So we'll have another video where we put it all together. Thank you.